Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Michael HD. Today we are going to be talking about a lot of amazing topics. But first, before we go into this topic, please kindly click on the subscribe buttons and the bell icon for more notification. And feel free to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you have any other thing you want to tell me or advice or anything about this video, you should please leave your thoughts on the comment section. And also don't forget to give this video a like if you truly enjoyed this video. So first on this celebrity news, we'll be talking about DMW Chioma, who just signed a new deal with Ubi Franklin as the new ambassador of Payport. So without wasting much of time, let's just go into this news. I know you guys have been waiting to hear this news, so without wasting much of time, let's just go into the news right away. First celebrity we are going to be talking about on this celebrity news is DMW's fiancé Chioma, who just signed a new ambassador deal with Payport. Wow, this is a huge deal. According to Ubi Franklin, Chioma messaged him on his Instagram handle and said, Ubi, I need to make some huge amount of money before the end of December. And Ubi said, worry no more. And definitely Ubi ended up making a huge deal for her by signing her into Payport. And Davido's fiancé Chioma went to her Instagram handle and started thanking the chairman of Payport, that's the CEO of Payport, Ayobasi, Ubi Franklin, and everybody who supported her. You can see lately that Davido and Chioma recently have been avoiding social media. These two duo coming back to social media, it's something else. And if you can see, their return brings about good turns. You can see Davido trying to shoot a video for his new music, Chioma trying to sign a new deal. So a lot of things, and there's also a lot of controversial talk about these two people trying to split up, which has been going for a very long time on the internet, that these two people are no longer together. Chioma been leaving Davido, Davido be leaving Chioma. And clearly from this deal she signed, you can see her from a photo from this deal she signed, you can see her still wearing the engagement ring. That means these two people are still together and they are still striving together, they are still strong together. So a lot of people should just stop, sharing these fake rules or sharing this fake news of them splitting together. I don't think these two can split together. It will be very difficult because they've come a long way. They know each other. So people should stop spreading that fake rumors about these two duos splitting together. And if you can see, she's happy. When she was signing the deal, she was happy because she knows it's another milestone for her in her life, and she has achieved a lot and a lot and a lot this year. So guys, we should just try and be happy for them. It's something good. At least she's trying to make moves for herself, and I'm happy for her. Congratulations to you, Chef Chi, and I wish you a successful deal and more to come. Next on the celebrity news, we'll be talking about former BBN Naija housemate Ike Ogbonna, who came to the internet saying that he was rich before going to the TV show. It all started when he posted a picture on his Instagram after signing a partnership deal with a popular called Remy Martins. He took to the internet and he was saying that he was richer before he went to the TV reality show BBN Naija Season 4. So a fan took to the same Instagram page and said to him that he should be grateful for BBN Naija fame. If not, he would have been a gangster in the street of New York or Nigeria. So he also replied to the fan by telling the fan that fame comes with price, and they started having a heated argument on Instagram. So my opinion is that he did not send the message very well. That was not how he was supposed to say it. It makes people feel like he's ungrateful and everything, that BBN Naija didn't do anything for him. He would have made the message in such a way that it doesn't affect the audience listening. He sends the message to them in a very, very wrong way. I think he should apologize, because those people he's trying to diss are the people that actually voted for him when he was in the house at BBN Naija Season 4. So sometimes we should just allow fame to get into our heads. We should also remember the people who helped us when we're down and the people who were there for us when we're down. So sometimes it's not about fame. Sometimes you just have to appreciate the people around you, appreciate their feeling, what they think, how they feel by saying certain things. You don't just come out and say things because you are good now, you're rich now, you're better than them now. Now, sometimes you have to just appreciate people a lot. It's good. You should just apologize. That's all he needs to do. Just apologize and move on. There's nothing big there. But him signing a Remy Martin deal is a very nice deal. I think it's a very good move, because people like Mike, you see them advertising Bobby Wiser and the rest having great deals. So it's a good thing for him signing this deal. It's a good thing for him. I'm really happy for him, but he should just apologize. Bro, he should just apologize, really. Really, it's not worth it coming on the internet and start arguing with your fans, start exchanging words, start saying things, bro. You should just apologize, send some apology message to your fans. They really need it. They really need it. Trust me. They really need to apologize. They need to apologize. Next on this celebrity news, Nigeria artist Wizkid took to his Instagram to congratulate Burna Boy on his release of his new album, Twice as Tall. The music executive Afrobeat producer Wizkid took to his Instagram page to congratulate his colleague Burna Boy. Remember, on the 14th, Burna Boy releases his new album, Twice as Tall, which was produced by DD. So after producing this album and releasing it, Wizkid took to his Instagram handle by uploading the album photocopy and wishing his colleague Burna Boy as he releases his new album, which hit 2 billion views on Spotify. Man, this is huge. Recently, if you remember, a lot of things have been going on that Wizkid and Burna Boy has a beef. Man, I don't think that is true, because seeing everything, seeing the love that Wizkid has shown to Burna Boy today, I think there's no beef. People are just saying what they think because they feel like, you know, artists always quarrel. But today, I really respect Wizkid for what he has done, because it takes greatness to observe greatness, because indeed Burna Boy is the giant of Africa. At least Wizkid has confirmed it today, because the congratulatory message he sent to him on Instagram was powerful. Like, it was well meant, understand? So congratulations to you, Burna Boy, and thank you, Wizkid, for showing this huge love to Burna Boy. At least he really appreciate it, because people feels that both of you guys are actually quarreling, but Wizkid has showed the world that there is still love between you guys, that you guys are still professionals and everything, that despite even everything that has transpired between you guys still find a way to make peace and show love to each other, and try to congratulate each other when any of you achieve great milestone. So I'm really happy for you, Burna Boy, and also for you, Wizkid. Thank you, Daddy O, for sending our brother Burna Boy this wonderful congratulatory message. And I hope to see your album next, because we are all anticipating for your album. You always postpone us every time. I will release my album, then I will release my album, then. But we're here to see your album. So thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. We really appreciate. Next on the celebrity news, we'll be talking about BBN Naija season 4 housemate Mercy, who says that she's too busy to watch this year's season 5 BBN Naija, that she is too busy to watch something that made her famous. She also went ahead and scolded the jobless fans, calling them jobless by watching BBN Naija. Hey, this is what I have to say to you. You forgetted that it was this same BBN Naija that blowed you. You forgot. You forgot that this same BBN Naija was the one that gave you your fame. You forgot your roots. You forgot everything that this same BBN Naija did for you. You're just being ungrateful. That is not how to talk to people. At least you should respect people. These were the same people who voted for you, the same people who was your fans, the same people who rallied for you, did everything for you, just to see that you win this thing. These same people that showed you love when you're in the house. You didn't know what these people passed through. You didn't know the hate, the insult, the cause, the fight, everything they passed through, just to see you win this thing. And you're here just because you won it, and you think that's just all in life. The same people that you call your fans, you're telling them that they are jobless for watching the same thing that made you famous, man. You're just being an hypocrite right now. To my opinion, you should just go back to that your Instagram page and just say, I am sorry, because I think things are going to start changing for you if you don't do that, because it's not nice. It's not nice. This was the same thing that gave you what you had today. This was the same thing that made you who you are today. So sometimes you should just respect your source of wealth, your source of income and everything. You should not just insult people because you feel like you've made it all in life. Sometimes that is not how life works. Sometimes you just have to respect people. You just have to be loyal. You just have to be humble for you to get more in life. So, lady, my advice to you, please, go back to your Instagram handle. Apologize. Say sorry. Say sorry to BBN Naija. Say sorry to your fans. Say sorry to the full people watching this TV show, and trust me, you'll be fine. Don't just say words like that. Don't just say words like that. Even though you're hurt, even though they offended you in such a way, or someone said something bad to you, you should really go back and apologize, because they really deserve this your apology. Because you need to apologize. Really, lady, you need to apologize. Are you serious? Like, people watching BBN Naija are jobless. Like, I can't believe that. I can't believe you're the one saying it, Mercy. Come on, you're breaking my heart. Come on, you need to go back and apologize, please. Please, please, please.
I'm too busy working my ass off. I'm too busy doing the things I love. I'm too busy enjoying myself. I'm too busy fucking shit up. I'm too busy like getting shit done to stay at home like you. Do you get? And do whatever you want to do. So don't just miss me with that bullshit. And you can't force whoever, you can't force them on me. Okay, why are you doing that now? Why are you doing that? You can't force whoever. You can't force nobody on me. Don't try that nonsense with me. Don't try that stupid ass shit with me. You can't force nothing on me. You can't force me to sit at home and watch. You can't do nothing. So quit trying. I still don't know these people. I still don't know them. But when I have time, when I'm less busy, I will do what I want to do. But don't try to make me see all this thing every day, mess. Don't try to make me see all this thing every day, mess. Man, quit trying. Enjoy yourself. This is just a game. Enjoy yourself. Just leave me the fuck alone. You can't force me to like who you like. Are you mad? Are you crazy? I don't blame you. I still don't know them. I still don't know them. But when I do, you will know. So leave me out of it. Leave me out of it. I'm doing me. I'm doing messy. You should do yourself. Okay? You should do you. Don't try to get people on my throat. No, stop that. Is that too much? I've been quiet. I've not said anything. Is that too much? I've been doing me. I don't want to get involved. Is that too much? Why are you all crying? Mercy. I won.
Thank you guys. That's the end of this video today. If you enjoyed this video and you like this video, please kindly click on the subscribe button and the bell notification for updates on new videos every day. And also feel free to share it on all social media so that we can hit 1,000 views in a day. So, and also if you have anything to say, please kindly leave your comments on the comment sections and all your thoughts and everything. Until next time, I'm your boy Michael HD. Peace out.